Hi, it's Mike from customcruisers.com. You can see here this particular item here. Okay, this is our standalone ignition. Now this ignition, very simple amount, get the bolts etc. This goes onto your frame, or on mine I've just basically bolted that on with a couple of spacers. All right, comes complete with ignition coil, leads and plug caps. Now don't forget, most of your bikes are going to have at least a 10-year-old setup anyway, so it's well worth buying this kit. Works out around about 350 quid, which, to be honest with you, for a full ignition, cheaper than a Harley ECU, no hassle at all, very easy to fit. Okay, standard coil, you know, for this particular, this is like a high output coil. You've got all your adjustments here. If you want to adjust your ignition timing, your cam, different curves, etc. You can also, if you're a clever bugger unlike me, program it using this data lead. Okay, I believe you can get a USB one as well, but these come with the old serial type connectors, so you can actually put custom maps in. You know, if you're running nitrous, or you're going to mess around with your ramps on your timing, you know, your curves, or whatever you want to call them. Okay, this particular kit, as you can see, is actually a full kit with a carburetor conversion for a twin cam. Okay, get rid of that horrible injection, and especially Magneti Marelli, and fit a damn good system. On our kit you get a carburetor, fuel tap conversions, etc. In fact, this is normal twin cam, not Magneti Marelli, because it's different adapters, but you get your adapter for your manifold. This is sort of an old school Edelbrock style air filter like you see on the old Yankee cars, and your fuel pipe, etc. And this is all special pipe for this horrible ethanol fuel we're now using. Okay, but this particular video was originally just for the standalone ignition, but you can actually see where this comes into this kit, which gives you everything that you need. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, the American number, the 386 Florida number, will allow you to call us, you know, at standard American rate, or possibly free if you're on a cell phone. The new site, customcruisers.eu, is pretty cool, but we're getting there. It still isn't finished. Give us a call. Thank you.